Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how you can install Visual Studio Code on your PC without administrator rights. Go to the search engine and type in VS Code. Now you go to this website and choose which version you want to download or install. I choose here because I have a Windows PC. It also depends if you have a Mac OS PC or Linux PC. So I do have a Windows PC, a Windows computer. So and therefore I press it here, and the program will be installed. Okay, let's press here. Okay, we click here to accept and press here. Well, this system is in German because I personally do speak German, so it will show in your mother language. So we click here and again here, and we will click here to install, and the program will automatically start by itself. Well, it will take a while, but it will finally be installed. Okay, now the program is ready, and here you go. We have finally installed Visual Studio Code and hope this was helpful.